Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think that we are very likely in a wave 4, which will probably look something like this before it potentially goes back up and makes a wave 5 to complete what I think is a very, very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern on the monthly time frame. Going down to the weekly time frame, I personally think the wave B is already over, but we possibly could, turn into like an A, B, C, a B, and then go up for a C, and then back down like that. We do have to be aware that that is a possibility. But if this is the end of a wave B, then it potentially will just continue to trend down, making the wave C of wave 4. Going down to the daily time frame, definitely looks like the end of a correction to me. Looks like the end of a wave A. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B. Definitely broke structure to the downside, definitely making lower lows, lower highs. I got my Fibonacci on here for areas of resistance, areas where the market probably will make a bounce. Also when price is near a Fibonacci level, it's probably not a good time to sort it. We want to try to sort it at the end of pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of the downtrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I personally would not sort it right now. I would be looking to go sort here, looking to go sort there, look sort there, sort there. I would have to see a pullback in order to go short on this pair. So I'm personally waiting for another pullback to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually hoping that it does break structure to the upside. I'm hoping it goes up. I'm hoping it breaks. Then I'm hoping to see, somewhat of a three-way pattern, something like this: 1, 2, 3 waves up and pulse it down. 1, 2, 3 waves up and pulse it down. I'm looking for something like that for the entry to go short. So hopefully it goes up. Hopefully it makes a nice proper ABC correction and then gives us a nice entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, just because I'm drawing it like this doesn't mean that's how it's going to play out. It possibly could just keep drifting down. So really the strategy right now is to either wait for a proper pullback or already be short from the last pullback up here or up here waiting for a proper exit. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.